do feel like a child with this palette because it looks like a child's palette. I mean, just look at the mirror, guys. Like, the mirror is like a cloud. Who's going to actually use that mirror? And the packaging, it looks like I would give this to a 5-year-old.
Hey guys, it's me, Christinamariebeauty. I am doing a tutorial and a review on this kids palette. Yes, it looks like a 5-year-old owns this. I guess I'm a 5-year-old inside, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and open up this kitty palette, which you think is a kitty palette, but it's really not. It actually is by Too Faced. It's not cheap like a kitty palette. It's by Too Faced Cosmetics. It's called Life's a Festival. Peace, love, and unicorn, man. Look at the packaging. It's all like glitter and rainbows. And then you think, okay, that's it. That's all it is the outside packaging. Then you open it up and it looks like a rainbow. The rainbow. And then it has a highlighter right here. Look at this mirror, guys. Like, it's a cloud. Honestly, I'm not going to use the mirror. I'm just going to use the palette. So if you guys are wondering if this is good, are these worth your money? Look at this, like, the light reflecting off this part right here is so cool. Anyways, this kind of makes you feel like a child when you grab this palette, but that's all right. It's good to be young inside. That means you're going to live longer. So let's go ahead and do an eyeshadow palette of me living longer. I mean, eyeshadow look. I'm going to swatch these really in fast forward motion really quick for you guys to see on my arm, and then we're going to jump to that video. So, wow, buttery, they glide on really easily, and the colors are amazing. I'm gonna go with the color called Desert Vibes. I have already put an eyeshadow primer on my eyes and then set it with some powder. So I'm gonna take a Desert Vibes and I'm just gonna put it in the crease. This is gonna be my transition color, because typically I like to go with a neutral brown or some sort on my eye first and then build it up from there. So I'm just going back and forth. This is just a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to get Rainbow Life, this pink shade, and I'm going to put it on my lid. This is just a packer brush. So I'm going to put it on half of my lid right here. Bring it up to the very bottom of that crease, touching that other color. And I'm going to go into Mystic Rain, which is a more fair pink. Oh, wow. Now we're going to look straight forward into the mirror, and we're going to bring this one up just a pinch where it's peeking out on the top here where people can see it. Make sure that these two blend nice together. Now you have this beautiful ombre effect. Now I'm going to go with Fantasy, and I'm going to dab it on over here in the outer corner and then kind of sweep it up. And then I'm bringing it over here in the crease as well. Now how you see how the line is more straight? It's actually lifting my eye that way. A clean brush now, kind of just go back and forth on this line to make sure that it fades into the skin. Wow, look at this color called Beaming. Look at that, wow. So I'm going to take Beaming and I'm going to dab it on right here in the corner. And then I'm going to push it into this eyeshadow right there at the very bottom. And I'm going to sweep this underneath my eyebrow. You guys can see. And I lightly touched it because it has quite a bit of shine. Now, Fantasy looks more like the color in the pan on the bottom of the eye. It almost has like a, I don't know, purple reflectant. And on top of, when I put it on top of the other shades, it kind of turned a different color. So I'm actually going to take the Desert Vibes and put it right on top of there. to make sure that this color and this color match. See how it changed it to be a little bit more deep? All right, I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I will be right back. Eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. Okay guys, so this is with the eyelashes and my mascara and eyeliner. You guys can see what it looks like. It looks really pretty. Let me zoom out and show you what it looks like. Isn't that really pretty? And you know what? This color that I put right here actually has like a blue tint to it, which is kind of really cool. It is that pink color, but at the undertone is this blue, beautiful tint. I don't know if you can tell on camera as I move back and forth. Maybe on this eye a little bit more. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and show you what everything looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the eye makeup looks like far away when my makeup is almost complete, because we are going to do the highlighter in this palette on the cheek. This is called Unicorn Tears. Let's go ahead and just swatch it and see what it looks like. OMG, that's white. I don't know if I want to put that white on my face. So let's go ahead and put it on. Oh, wow. It changed colors. So it looked really, really white on my finger. And then when I put it, I don't know, can you guys see that? It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. Because I love pink. Look at that. Oh, and I'm wearing pink in my eyes, in my lips, in my cheeks. So let's go ahead and just take a clean highlighter brush and put it in the cheek and see what we think. So yes, it looks white in the pan. It looks white on the brush. But I guess it's not. I hope it's not on my cheek. So let me get my mirror. Let's see. Oh, I am loving this. I am loving this. Can you guys see? I don't know. Can you see? Let me move slowly. Move slowly. Slow motion. This is such a pretty highlighter. Man, let's try this one. This cheek better. Look at that. That is what I like. That is what I like. It is a bling bling type of color highlighter. Look at that. Beautiful. Anyways, what do I think of this palette? I'm actually going to say I was super, super impressed with what I put on my eyes, what I put on my cheeks. Wow. I will post. I don't think they actually have this on Amazon. If they do, I will post an Amazon link. If not, I will just post the Too Faced website link down below. Anyways, but while you're down there, if you could hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I honestly will say I love, love, love this palette. I think it is absolutely wonderful. And the colors are like, they just, I don't even know how to explain it. The colors just kind of like glide on with a lot of pigmentation. Really impressed. Really love it. You guys tell me if you love it. I know it feels like I'm playing in kids' makeup, but it's kind of, I don't even know how to explain it. It's kind of fun. It kind of brings back memories of when I was little playing in makeup. So I think that you guys will like it. But yes, you do feel like a child with this palette because it looks like a child's palette. I mean, just look at the mirror, guys. Like, the mirror is like a cloud. Who's gonna actually use that mirror? And the packaging looks like I would give this to a 5-year-old. Anyways, I guess I'm a 5-year-old inside. That's all that matters. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.